Posted in front of the tribe.
Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to crop this hoodie. So the essentials you're going to need is a hoodie, a measurement, a scissor, and some pins. I didn't use the elastic band. You can if you want to, but I can show you in another video how to do it with the elastic band. So first off, you want to cut your hoodie in the length that you want your hoodie to be. And then I'm measuring both sides on the hoodie just so I have the exact same length on both sides. I'm taking the elastic band and I'm going to attach it to the hoodie. When I'm pinning the elastic band to the hoodie, I'm always stretching it out. So you can see that I stretch and then I pin, I stretch and then I pin. And that's the way I will go all around the hoodie. You can see that I have some rests on the elastic band, but I will leave it like that because when you sew, it's better to have more than less. Okay, so here you can see when I'm sewing, I'm always stretching the elastic band and I'm holding with both of my hands while I'm going. The rest of the elastic band, I will just cut that off. Now I'm done with my hoodie and it's the end of this video. I hope you really liked this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!